Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see the subtractor. Okay, so subtractor is basically having two types. The first is half subtractor and the second one is full subtractor. So in this video we are going to discuss about half subtractor. Okay, so half subtractor is a combinational logic circuit which is used to get the difference between two single bit numbers. Okay, so it is used on binary number system. Now you can see here the block diagram of half subtractor. So half subtractor is having the two inputs, that is A and B, and the difference of these two bits will be obtained at the output, that is called D, capital D. So this is difference, and the second output is the borrow. Okay, so when the A is 0 and B is equal to 1, that time only A minus B will generate the borrow. Okay, and for all other combinations the borrow will be 0. So let us see how to implement the subtractor circuit, that is half subtractor circuit. So as we have seen the adder, half adder, in that we have followed some steps, and in this video also we are going to follow the same steps. Okay, so after this block diagram we have to draw the truth table of this half subtractor. So this is having two inputs and two outputs. So let us draw the half subtractor truth table. So truth table is having A and B are the inputs, and capital D difference and small b as borrow. Okay, now we will write the possible combinations of A and B: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Okay, so here the difference is nothing but we have to perform the subtraction. Okay, so first A minus B has to be performed, and after that whatever the bit difference is there, that should be written in the capital D column, that is difference column, and small b means we have to subtract B from A, and if the result is negative, at that time only the borrow will be generated. Okay, so let us start with this truth table. So first 0 minus 0, the difference will be 0. Okay, and the borrow will not be generated, so borrow will be 0. Next is 0 minus 1, so this difference between these two is 1, right? And 0 minus 1, so result is negative, and hence the borrow will be generated here. Now 1 minus 0, the difference is 1, and here the 1 minus, from this 1 minus 0 the borrow will not be generated, so here we will write 0. Okay, next is 1 minus 1, so here the difference is 0 and the borrow will not be generated because the two numbers are same. Okay, so here we have obtained the truth table of half subtractor. Now the next step is we have to draw the K map for these two outputs. Okay, so difference output and borrow output, for this we will write the K map. So as we are having two inputs, that means four combinations, so we have to draw the K map for D, difference, and K map for small b, that is borrow. So first we will draw the K map for difference. Okay, now in this K map we have to write once. Okay, we have to write once only for the combinations of A and B. So in this D column, whichever combination of A and B are having output 1, only that places we have to write the ones. So D is having 1 for 0 1 combination. So A equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. For this combination the D is equal to 1. Now for the third combination also, that is A equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, we are having D equal to 1. So A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0, we are having this one. Okay, now the next step is we have to group the ones, okay. But in this K map we are not finding any group of ones horizontally or vertically. So keep in mind one thing, if you are having these kind of ones, so left to right, if they are diagonal ones, then you can group like this. So this diagonal grouping which gives you the XOR operation of A and B. So here I can write capital D equal to A XOR B, okay. So likewise we can obtain the equation for difference. Now the next step is we have to draw the K map for borrow also. So K map for B, okay. I will just write this K map here, K map for B. Okay, now in this K map where the B is having 1, so here, okay, so only for this 0 1 combination the B is having 1, so 0 1 means 0 1 here, okay. So only at these places we are having 1, so we can just group only single one for obtaining the borrow equation. So borrow equation will be A bar B, A bar B, okay. So this is our the equation for borrow. Now the last step is we have to implement this circuit for difference and borrow, okay. So let us draw the implement logic circuit for this. So here for difference we are having A and B, that means XOR operation is there, and for borrow operation we are having A bar into B, okay. So as we are having three kinds of input, that is first is A, second is A bar, and third is B. So we have to draw the three lines, okay, to implement the circuit. So A is the first line, then A bar is the second line, and B is the third line, okay. Now to obtain this expression, that is difference, take the point from A and B and XOR it, okay. Here you will get difference and A bar B, so A bar is obtained here and B. Perform the AND operation of A bar and B, here you will get the borrow, okay. So this is the way of how to implement the half subtractor circuit. So I hope you understood this, how to implement the half subtractor. First thing is we have drawn the truth table of half subtractor. From this truth table, wherever we are having ones in the output equations, we have just written into the K map, and from this K map we have grouped the ones, and from this ones we have obtained the expression, and finally we have implemented this expression in terms of logic gates, okay. Thank you.